Good morning, children. Today we are going to do lesson number 2 of English literature, The Mice That Ate Balance. As you all know that we have already completed part 1 of it in our previous class. Let us quickly revise it, children. It was a story of two friends, Jiva and Janak. Of these two friends, Jiva was honest, whereas Janak was dishonest and greedy. And once, due to heavy rain, the river was flooded. The crops and the houses were destroyed. The merchant has to suffer heavy losses in his business. So Jiva decided to try for his luck and moved to town. Jiva had a heavy iron balance in his house which his father had given him. So he decided to keep that with his friend Janak. He went to his friend's house and told him to keep it safe. To this, Janak readily agreed and said, "Don't worry, I'll keep it safe for you. You can take it back after you return home." Now Jiva said thank you to his friend and he left for some distant town. Now let's continue with the story. A few years passed by. By this time, Jiva had earned a lot of money. He returned to his village and went to his friend Janak's house. Janak was very happy to meet Jiva. Both the friends talked for hours. When it was time to leave, Jiva asked his friend to return his iron balance. At this, Janak looked sad and said, "Friend, I'm sorry to say that I don't have your balance. There are a lot of mice in my house. They ate up your balance." Jiva was surprised. He could not believe this at all. How can mice eat iron? He thought to himself. He said, "Never mind, Janak. Let us forget about it." While leaving, Jiva said to Janak, "My wife has made delicious sweets." Meaning of delicious is tasty. "Could you please send your son with me? I would like to send some for you also." Happily, Janak asked his son to go along with Jiva. When Janak's son did not return for a few hours, he went to Jiva and asked where his son was. "I'm sorry," said Jiva. "While I was coming, a big eagle swooped down upon him and carried him away." The meaning of swoop means moved quickly downward through the air. "What nonsense!" shouted Janak. "How can eagle carry off a young boy?" The argument turned into fight. Argument means quarrel. The matter had to be taken into a village court. The judge listened to both the parties and ordered Jiva to bring Janak's son to the court, otherwise he would be sent to jail. The judge shouted, "How can a bird carry away a young boy in his talons?" Talons means claws. You can see a picture of talons, children. Jiva narrated the whole story to the judge and said, "If mice can eat an iron balance, why cannot a bird carry away a grown-up boy?" Narrated means told. The judge then warned Janak and asked him to speak the truth. Janak felt sorry and returned the iron balance to Jiva. Jiva returned the boy to Janak and said, "My friend, here is your son. I was trying to teach you a lesson in honesty. Now that's all for the story, children. I hope you have liked the story. Now let's read some antonyms. Few. Antonym of few is many. Forget, remember. Happy, sad. Like, dislike. Big, small. Truth, lie. Honest, dishonest. Now compound words. When two words are joined together to get a new word which is having a meaning, a compound word is which is having a meaning which is different from the words is a compound word. Let's see the definition once again, children. When two words are joined together to get a new meaning, a compound word is formed. Means when two words are joined together, we get a new word which is having different meaning, is a compound word. For example, new plus paper, newspaper. Birth plus day, birthday. Break plus fast, breakfast. Other plus wise, otherwise. Him plus self, himself. That's all for today, children. Hope you have liked it. Thank you, children.